Good evening. Welcome to yet another episode from the expert's mouth. How many of us think that struggles and challenges actually are blockways, or there are some stones that do not let us go ahead? I know many of us do that. Challenges and struggles are just like those big blocks on the road that have to be catered and to be kept separate. How do we keep them separate? भाई जिंदगी है तो जिंदगी एक it's just like a journey, and if you are traveling on the road, of course there have to be potholes and there have to be certain kind of ups and downs in life. Can these challenges and struggles actually make us scared, or actually they can make us afraid? Not at all. It depends on us. Where there's a will, they say there's a way. तो कुछ ऐसे ही रास्तों को हम लोग निभाने वाले हैं और जिनके साथ हम चलने वाले हैं. Why not talk about more of challenges and struggles? अब आप मुझे पूछेंगे आप इतना चैलेंजेस स्ट्रगल्स कर रहे हो, करने क्या वाले हो? Isn't it? मैं आज जो करने वाली हूँ वो कुछ बहुत स्पेशल है, क्योंकि आज मैं आपको ये बताने वाली हूँ कि ये सब थोड़े थोड़े रास्ते के पत्थर हैं जिन्हें आराम से स्वीप अवे किया जा सकता है. एग्जैक्टली जैसे क्रिकेट, आईपीएल है भैया, आईपीएल का बुखार सबको है. सो इज विद मी. So I'll not take much of your time and let me call my expert today. We have Mr. Surish Kanania. Hi Surish ji. Good evening. How are you doing?
Hello, good evening. Namaste to everyone. I am doing fine.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Great. It's an honor to have you on the platform. Thank you for coming to the talk
Very much.
room. As the protocol says, I have to introduce you. Sir is a personal development coach and life skill trainer from Hyderabad. So welcome you, sir, as you are already a personal development coach and life skills trainer. So it will be quite skillful to learn from you that actually what are struggles and challenges? How do you see them?
Yeah. First of all, let me thank you for inviting me over today. I was listening to what you were saying as an intro. I mean, two beautiful words you have used, your struggles. Okay. And then you said you equated them to small pebbles on the road which can be swept away. That was a wonderful example. And I do believe your struggles which result in failures are all a minute obstacles.
Thank you for coming to the talk.
Because people have to understand कि जब आप बोलते हैं कि रास्ते में कांटे हैं, ये भी समझना चाहिए कांटे के पीछे फूल भी रहता है. So today I specifically I wanted to focus on struggles which led to failures. Struggles is what? The fear of failure or the actual failure. If you look at failure as a framework, what exactly is a failure? I call it as a performance discrepancy or an outcome discrepancy. We desired something to happen. It has not happened in that particular way. It didn't come out well. So we are thinking it as a failure. But is it the end of the world for us? The life is much bigger. The world is much bigger than a small, simple failure. I will start my own example saying, I was actually a very good student in my graduation. Not only in studies, I was very good in intramurals and extracurricular activities also. Elocution mein ho ya quiz mein ho, essay writing mein ho, I was in the top 2 and 3. Like it was like I was telling the world, come on world, wait for me, I am coming. That sort of an attitude. Unfortunately, I failed in my graduation. That was a very big shocker to me. I mean, a person who was on cloud 9 suddenly experiencing this, it was very, very depressing. I went to one gentleman who asked one simple question. Do you value your life? Do you know your own value? I said, yes. Then he said, Tom, get up, dust off your clothes, start walking again. The lesson I learned in this failure was not about how to study hard. The lesson what I learned in this failure was not to become hot-headed. I think जो भी हो रहा था उस टाइम पे मेरे दिमाग पर चला गया. It went to my head. So I became overconfident. So it is not necessary the lessons you learn out of those failures, out of those experiences is related to that. It can be किसी भी क्या बोलते हैं किसी भी पॉइंट को वो टच कर सकते हैं. So that is how that failure will teach a lesson. Because when I say failure is like an experience, Okay, when you are saying it is like learning a lesson, and your success is knowing how to apply this lesson. It is as simple as that.
Right.
That's my belief.
That's wonderfully explained, and I think the anecdote that you gave from your life is really wonderful to learn. And I strongly believe in this. In fact, even I was very weak at maths, and people used to say at that time कि maths नहीं आता तो life में कुछ नहीं है. But I always believe, my parents always believe that it's not like that. It's if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your own workings, and you crave for your own way. So I think we can make our own way. So that kind of failures or challenges are not they don't harm your life, they don't hamper your life. Satish, do you think that we need to pave our own ways? Have you ever felt that कि challenges तो आएंगे ही definitely, obstacles तो हर किसी की life में होते हैं, पर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें अपनी directions और अपनी success और अपने ways को खुद ही define करना पड़ता है, उस पर चलना पड़ता है?
जी बिल्कुल. And the important thing you forgot to ask is from what age we should be doing this. You will be able to pave your own way. You will be able to have your own ideology if, as a child, you got that freedom to think.
Absolutely.
क्या करने का है? Because if you see, आजकल बड़े होके क्या बनोगे is one question.
Yeah.
बड़े होके डॉक्टर बनने का is another question. In the
Right.
first question, you are giving that option to the child. So he will come up some creative idea and say. And as life progresses, maybe he might have a different thought process, but he can pave his own way. और उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? If I have to pave my own way, मुझे वो चीज में पैशन होनी चाहिए, वो चीज करने की पोटेंशियल होनी चाहिए, और मैं किस पर्पस के लिए करना चाहता हूँ वो क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. Now, if these three are there, then even if failures are coming, you will keep on learning lessons from that and going ahead. For me, if I look at the failure and failure to success stories, Kentucky Fried Chicken is the greatest examples of failures and success story. Right. He started it at the age of 69, and whereas today's teenagers and youngsters, they totally get depressed with one failure.
Absolutely. I was just coming to the next question. Do you think that today's youngsters are given everything on a platter? Do you think like that?
No, I don't think like that. What I think is today's youngsters are not taught about failure. They are only taught about success.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग अपने बच्चों को ये पूछते हैं आगे जाकर आप क्या बनोगे और आपको सक्सेस ही चाहिए. I think somewhere or the other we are teaching them just go on, see, look towards success, but we are not teaching them what lies behind that success and what is that comes in the making of that success, isn't it?
Yeah, see, मेरा philosophy ये है, a person who has always succeeded whatever he is doing ना, उसके दिल में हमेशा ये डर लगता है कहीं फेल ना हो जाए कहीं ना कहीं.
Right.
And one person who already experienced failure, he knows how to take it again. When you are asking this question about youngsters, what comes to my mind is failure is a normal phenomena, is first concept they have to understand. Second, when something they are failing at, either they are feeling they are not good at it, or they are shifting their line.
Right.
They are not attempting that again, which means in the first possibility itself, they didn't have the three P's which I told, the passion, purpose, and potential. They tried something, they failed. And they go to the next line. They say, okay, नहीं उसमें नहीं हुआ, मैं इडली का दुकान खोला, चला नहीं, अभी पिज्जा का दुकान खोलता हूँ. It doesn't work that way. The best thing to do when you fail is go back. Some will call it analysis. Some will call it introspection. See, go and see what went wrong. Basically, if you are not able to question yourself and ask yourself what went wrong, where is that you are going to go and correct it? If you are going to try it again, that attitude I think is missing in the current young generation.
Right. And I personally think, Rishi, that if it comes to accepting failure, so उसे भी हमें उतने ही हंसते हुए accept करना चाहिए. मुझे याद है I mean मेरे को अपना इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्पीकिंग चैंपियनशिप वाला I use that prop of snakes and ladders. That was appreciated by many people. So isn't it fact of life कि जहाँ हमें success मिलता है, we are very happy climbing up the stairs. But as soon as one snake stings you, you fall down and you think, अब ये दोबारा नहीं होगा, isn't it? So what do you have to say about those people who actually think this way, that now rising up is something really difficult?
आप ही का एग्जाम्पल से शुरू करते हैं. आप ही का एग्जाम्पल से we will put whether one or जीत गई नहीं जीत गई बाजू रखेंगे. If you had to question yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, that when you use that prop or when you walked on that stage, right, you have put your entire energy, entire heart into it and have done it. I am sure you would rate it as 10. If that is the case, even if you lose, you will not mind.
Right.
Comes to your question, yes, success is actually always, will it come? It will not come. So again, we go back and say, what is the mindset we are developing in children? Never fail. ये never fail बोलते हुए एक आध बच्चा फेल हो जाता है, then he thinks very very low of himself. उसका सेल्फ एस्टीम बढ़ने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है.
Exactly.
So
and I think कहीं कहीं तो बनता भी नहीं है. That is why these suicides happen, depressions are happening. कहीं कहीं तो दोबारा बनता भी नहीं है because they accept it that it is their fate, they cannot do it. तो हमने उसको acceptance
you are in that ecosystem.
Exactly. And I think acceptance is very important. Acceptance
and it
is
starts
very
at
important.
home. It starts at home. That is what I am saying. First, it starts with self. It starts with self.
Yeah.
Even if I fail, okay, मुझे इसमें से क्या सीखने को मिल रही है? मुझे क्या सीखने को? मेरा एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया. And what I told you happened in 1991. उसके बाद फिर से उठा, पास हुआ, and I had lot of dreams. I achieved most of those dreams. I went to in fact, I went to the position of a vice president also in a large finance company. But that failure has taught me कि यहाँ पे कभी न जाना. Let not arrogance go to your head was that learning. It is an experiential learning for me. वरना क्या बोलते हैं हम? अकड़ में आ जाते हैं, बोलते हैं ना, that would have come, that arrogance will come.
Exactly.
Then I understood the difference between what is having a pride and what is an arrogance. That lesson I learned there. It was a hard-hitting lesson. Now today's youngsters, are they ready?
Yeah.
That's a big question mark.
Exactly. So I think we must be questioning, are we making them ready? The question actually comes again to us. Are we making them ready, or we are actually looking at somebody who is absolutely ready? Nobody is ready for it these days. We learned from our mistakes, and we should I think if we will not, no man is perfect, and if we will not make mistakes, definitely we can't learn, isn't it? So it again comes to us, how are we taking it? I mean, what are we imparting ahead? As a teacher, if I tell my student, it's okay if you didn't get selected, we always have a next time, rather than telling the child, oh, it's come on your self issue, and it's come on your self prestige, they've not selected you, now you tell them. So therein you are feeding that revenge in that child and giving those negative vibes that you have to do it at whatever cost. Now that cost can become, it is not only example of getting selected in one or the other thing. Talk about exams of NEET or IIT or anywhere. Children start to think, if once they fail, they fail. How do we take those colleges which have 99% scorers, and where do the rest of them go? Then they get into depression that उस college में मेरा admission नहीं हुआ. So do you call it as a challenge? I don't take it as a challenge, because it's a norm set by us to show that इतने परसेंटेज वाले जो लोग हैं वो तो अच्छे हैं, बाकी अगर जो 95 भी लेकर आ रहे हैं तो उन्हें जगह नहीं मिल रही. So I tell my students that it's not a challenge. I don't accept it as a challenge. It is just they have made their brain work that in a kind that ठीक है अब इतने वाले ही आएंगे, but you are not failures. We must keep on trying.
ये रिपीटेड उनको ये बात कहनी चाहिए, और उन लोग को समझ में not only the kids, not only the students, their parents also saying failures and success are part of life. Okay, अगर समझिए, like exam student का आप example ले रही हैं, अगर somebody is not selected, The biggest problem here is the parents will come and will not ask you ki why you have not selected my kid. The first thing they will say is uske bete ko select kiya, mere bete ko kyun select nahi kiya.
Comparative.
That creates a bigger problem where that ego will come, where the fear of failure will come. We don't tell them. We have to go back and understand. जैसे आप बोल रही है the example, are we ready to impart? I will take again my own example. My elder daughter, I just asked her, what do you want to do? She said, I want to do architecture. I told her there are some 50,000 seats in engineering colleges in Telangana, and there are only 80 seats in architecture. Will you be able to make it? वो बोलिए कोशिश करती हूँ. I am very passionate about it. I will try it. If not, will you give me one more chance? Next year I will try. I will absolutely go ahead. So this answers your question. Are we imparting? We are imparting. If I am not imparting, I will not have the right to speak to you like this.
But sir, this is what we as parents, everybody has to learn. That give your child a chance. Give your child. It's not, first click में कुछ भी नहीं होता. Even the spider could not get up the first time. So it's okay. I mean, keep on trying. And it's not that बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि ये challenges आए तो हम वहीं रुक गए. बहुत सारे लोग ये बात बोलते हैं हम वहीं रुक गए उस टाइम पर. And there is repentance also. मैं अब देखती हूँ लोग repent करते हैं.
सीख है क्या है? मैं देखिए, we are only limiting to education right now. You take another example of relationships.
Yeah,
there are failed relationship. Okay, you see one person who said, हमको जमा नहीं है, we were not compatible, therefore we are separated. He goes and gets married second time. Again, he tells the same thing, we are not compatible, which means he has not learned the lessons. What is the experience he has got in the first relationship which went bad? Has he taken out the lessons applied in his second arrangement? He did not do. So that is what you go back, you reconsider your options, you reevaluate your options, you imbibe those learnings, and now you include it here in your next plan. Otherwise, if you are not able to take the lessons which are coming out of that failed experience, you will not be able to do. देखिए हम ये lights पे बैठे हैं. Now suddenly the light goes off. Or I practically switch off the light 2-3 times. Most of the people would get irritated. Imagine Thomas Alva Edison. 999 times he was not able to light the bulb. He never gave up. With every failed step, he learned something. Finally, he arrived and said, yes, tungsten will make a good material for light.
And I think it's a personal choice how you take a struggle or a challenge, isn't it? It's absolutely a personal choice, because there are people who will not take challenges or struggles, something that is going to stop them. Like you took an example of relationship. I might take an example from somebody working for some company. Maybe he's not happy, or he's actually working under somebody whom he's not compassionate with, but he's actually eager to get into it and get going. So one or the other way, he'll find out the way. So it's absolutely personal, and how we see it. The need of the hour is that we have to, make it aware to others that let it be. Let us give ourselves some chance. And that's how it comes. Whatever is happening to us, we have to accept it. Whether it is any challenge, any struggle coming in our lives. Now, isn't this pandemic a challenge?
Yes.
So we all are going on. We all, in fact, became closer. Virtual learning became quite apt in this such times. अब जब ये virtual applications नहीं थी, किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था कि पूरा स्कूल एक online education पर काम करेगा. We found out the way, isn't it?
This has changed the total perspective of about the way the life is. The entire perspective has changed now.
Exactly. And I think जो लोगों को नेट यूज नहीं करना आता था, वो उन्होंने नेट यूज करना सीखा. एंड आई थिंक ऑल दोज ऑब्स्टैकल्स जो कितने टाइम से माइंड में थे, शायद उस चीज को वॉश आउट करने के लिए कितने लोगों ने काम किया. एंड वी हैव एग्जांपल्स, वर्किंग लाइक दैट, and they've been successful now. And some people coming to us, we had a webinar last week, and we did it for some elderly people. And they said कि हम लोगों ने जितना नेट को सोचा नहीं था कि हमें कभी आएगा, हमें आज नेट यूज करना भी आता है, उसकी एप्लीकेशंस भी पता है. पहले जिस चीज से डर लगता था, फोन को हाथ लगाते हुए डर लगता था कि पता नहीं क्या ऐप से क्या कर देंगे, बट नाउ दे आर सो टेक savvy. Now it was actually a challenge. अगर वो हमारे लिए challenge है तो elderly लोगों के लिए तो बहुत ही बड़ा challenge था. But then because they had no option, sometimes in life, I think when you don't have options, then also the struggle becomes a forcible thing कि हमें अब तो hit करना ही पड़ेगा.
ये बोलते हैं ना जी, they say necessity is the mother of invention.
Yeah.
Okay. मगर मैंने आज के टॉपिक के बारे में बोलता हूँ, failure is the mother of innovation.
So true. That's wonderfully said.
You fail, you have to innovate the way you want to attempt it again.
Right.
Because there are certain learnings you have taken from that. Now you have certain knowledge about that. And then you have to keep it in the second attempt, what you are doing, you take out all those learnings from that experience and then put it here. That is innovation. Compared to the first attempt, you are innovating in the second attempt. Therefore, failure is the mother of innovation.
So true.
So that
So
is
I
how
think
you have
everybody
to
must keep on trying these innovative ideas to come
yes,
out
yes,
of these
yes,
challenges
yes.
and struggles.
It will happen that way only.
And I think there are two ways to accept our challenges. One is you are frustrated and one is you are happy. Again, it is a personal choice how you take it. अगर आप struggles को बड़ा, if you face them happily, they'll seem to be short. Now I remember of a very old story I had heard when I was a child that there was a person going to temple every day and he used to accuse God कि तुमने मुझे slippers का वो भी नहीं लेके दिया, मैं तो रोज तुम्हारे पास आता हूँ. And when he was climbing the stairs, he saw a little child who had no feet.
Yes.
And then he said, "Thank you, God. I at least have feet to walk on to come to you." So, I mean, when we see others' life, when we see challenges faced by other people, we realize that हमारे challenges तो बड़े छोटे हैं. And I think again, मैं तो बार बार इस चीज पे फोकस कर रही हूँ कि हमारे जो challenges को face करने का criteria है, absolutely personal है. But Suresh ji, tell me, like, what do you think जो हमारे barriers हैं, ये जो struggles हैं या किसी भी तरह के हमारे obstacles हैं life में, ये जो barriers आते हैं, क्या ऐसे तरीके हैं जिनको अडॉप्ट करके हम अपने challenges को, अपने struggles को कुछ कम कर सकते हैं या हम इन्हें fight कर सकते हैं? कम तो क्या कहें, fight कर सकते हैं इनके against हम.
एक सुनील गावस्कर का एक फेमस सेंटेंस है. वो बोलता है क्रिकेट इज नॉट प्लेड ऑन ए 22 यार्ड पिच. ओके, क्रिकेट इज प्लेड हियर बोलते हैं.
Absolutely.
So these barriers, challenges, failures, struggles, whatever we are talking, actually they are all here.
Right.
And how are you going to remove that? We are going to remove that by only when the children are growing up, when the youngsters are there, simply asking one question, only asking them, are you ready to face a failure? If that person says no, and it is our responsibility to tell him कि failing is natural.
Right.
Failing is natural. और इसको fear of failure कैसे निकालने का? उससे भी ज्यादा fear दिखाने का.
Right.
एक छोटी सी समस्या है, जाएगा, मतलब is constantly worried about that, उसको और एक बड़ी समस्या डालो उसके दिमाग में, वो छोटा भूल जाएगा. Which means he is getting mentally accustomed for that.
Right.
हम बचपन में पढ़े ना जी, टीचर एक लाइन ड्रा करके इसको बगैर डस्टर यूज किए इसको छोटा कैसे कर सकते हो, उसके बगल में एक लंबे लाइन. So challenges and struggles are like that only. What is required is willingness. This is one thing which is lacking. Willingness to face those challenges. Because nowadays everybody is looking at क्या बोलते हैं, shortcuts. आप देखिए, मेरे बाकी पूरा इंडिया का मालूम नहीं है, बट एटलीस्ट आई नो राजस्थान में, तेलंगाना में, आंध्रा में जो आईआईटी का और एमसेट का कोचिंग होता है, इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस का कोचिंग होता है, दे विल टेल, come we will teach you how to get 59 out of 16 physics and maths. Shortcuts. ये problem दिया तो ऐसा लिखो. Okay, now I go back to that point what you have raised. I was holding to give this, that 99% marks people have got, one person has got 82. उसको कैसे हम खुश कर सकते हैं? आप पिछले 5 साल पहले जो 99.99% आके जो पास हुआ है, उन लोग का लिस्ट निकाल के currently in what position they are in दिखाइए.
True.
I am not क्या बोलते हैं, discouraging them or critical of them. My own experience says all those kids are youngsters in the college who scored 99.99. right? In life, they are suffering because till that time they have succeeded 99, 99, 99, 99. Everybody taught them subject. Nobody taught them about life. Nobody taught them about struggles and all that. I think you can hear the suicides in IITs.
True.
मैं तो घुस ही गया IIT में, मगर मेरा पैशन, मेरा पर्पस, मेरा पोटेंशियल है ही नहीं. I am unable to take this challenge. So बच्चों को प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स देते रहना चाहिए. हमको प्रैक्टिकल कहानियां सुनाना रहेगा. मेरा खुद का कहानी घर में सबको मालूम है.
वेरी नाइस.
मेरा खुद का कहानी घर में सबको मालूम है. तो कभी कभी मेरा बेटी भी बोलती है, डैडी मत बोलो, तुम भी फेल हो गए थे ग्रेजुएशन में. ठीक है, that's fine, but don't take that as an example. You take that as a learning. मैं इसलिए फेल नहीं हुआ कि मैं पढ़ा नहीं, मेरे ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया था. जिंदगी में जो सीखा तो वही सीखा. Till now I am not arrogant. वैसे लेसन्स हमको सीखना चाहिए.
Exactly, and I think somewhere or the other we have bound the imagination of children. नहीं, मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ ये करो. Let them explore. The fear, again that fear aspect comes कि हमारा बच्चा कहीं गिर ना जाए, हमारे बच्चे के आगे कहीं कोई challenges ना आ जाए, तो हम प्लेटर में डालकर उसको वो देना चाहते हैं कि don't do that. मैंने ये किया हुआ है, तुम इसी पर चलो. Isn't it? So I think that's one of the biggest aspect that we tell them कि भैया आगे चलना मत सीखो, कोई बात नहीं, तुम गिरो मत. And मैंने
एक सवाल है, आप टीचर है ना? नहीं, आप टीचर है. Okay.
Right.
Let's take example of first class children. First class में जो पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay. मैं जैसे मिमिक करता हूँ, जैसे टीचर्स बोलते हैं. Okay, children, write down A for. Assume you said that. All of them will write apple. Right? How is the teacher ready to treat a child differently if some child writes A for attitude?
Absolutely.
A for auntie. Or A for something else, because the teacher is also mentally tuned that A is only for apple.
Apple, right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We have to create that imagination. We have to let them fall. We have to let them learn. And the only thing and the only way that we can make them learn is to let them explore. उसमें कोई बात नहीं, बच्चा गिरेगा भी. मुझे तो लगता है इसके लिए कोई एज लिमिट ही नहीं है. Of course, we must start it right at the nurturing part, but every time I think we have done this even at this age, because when I left my job and I thought I'll be an entrepreneur, so people were, are you crazy at this age? तो ऐसे देखी जाएगी जो होगा. कोई बात नहीं, क्या होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा गिरेंगे और फिर उठ जाएंगे. That's the attitude you must have for life. It's okay to fall down and it's okay to get up again. It's okay to fall down second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, until and unless you know you are getting up. So that willpower, until and unless you are getting up, जब तक आपके अंदर है, I think तब तक nobody can stop you. Not even a single challenge can stop you, and that has to be inculcated right at the right moment. I think जो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि बड़े होकर सीख जाएंगे, मुझे लगता है राइट बचपन से ही सिखाना शुरू कर दो, ताकि उनमें वो सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाए कि कोई बात नहीं, गिरे हैं तो खड़े हो जाएंगे, संभल जाएंगे. So
क्यों गिरा पता लगाओ, क्यों गिर गए वो पता लगाओ.
Find out that root cause. हम root cause के उसको छोड़ देते हैं. हम रूट कॉज को छोड़ देते. अच्छा गिर गए, हमारा सारा पोटेंशियल, हमारी सारी एनर्जी उसी पर आ जाती है कि ओहो गिर गए, अब ये तो बहुत बड़ी समस्या हो गई, बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई कि गिर गए. व्हाई नॉट फाइंडिंग आउट द कॉज, व्हाई डिड वी फॉल, व्हाई डिड वी फेल, एंड देन कमिंग आउट, improving on that. So I think this is the way life should be learned. I mean, you are a better teacher because you are already a life skill trainer, so you can tell us better about it. Isn't it the right and the practical way?
Yeah. How this challenges को लाइफ का कॉन्सेप्ट, एक तेलुगु कहावत है, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू एक्चुअली ट्रांसलेट इनटू हिंदी. मे बी इट इज देयर इन हिंदी आल्सो, आई डोंट नो. जब आप जीत जाएंगे ना, ओके, आप कौन है दुनिया को मालूम पड़ेगा. मगर जब आप हार जाएंगे, दुनिया क्या है आपको मालूम पड़ेगा. दैट इज द वे यू शुड लर्न अबाउट लाइफ.
Right, absolutely.
So that intention, that passion, that purpose is there in whatever you are trying. All challenges, all failures, they will be overcome, because your destination lies beyond the horizon, And to reach the horizon, these are the failures, these are the...
Absolutely. There is a way. I think that's a journey again. And in that journey, you
Yes.
see, I often compare it with a metaphor कि हम लोगों की जो जर्नी है ना बिल्कुल एक ट्रेन जर्नी की तरह है. रास्ते में बहुत सारे स्टेशन आएंगे. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर स्टेशन पे जहां हम उतरेंगे वहीं रह जाएंगे. तो स्टेशन तो आएंगे ही, स्टॉपेजेस तो आएंगे ही. हमारा काम है कि अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पर पहुंचना. यू कांट स्टॉप ऑन एवरी डेस्टिनेशन.
ट्रेन डिले भी चलता होगा. ट्रेन डिले भी चलता होगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
Good, good.
बुलेट को आने में काफी टाइम है. That's what I say. It's okay till and until we keep on actually keep our eye on our target. We must not miss on the target. That's right. But whatever challenges and struggles come in our way, I think we need to accept them with a big heart and let them just come. आप किसी भी आते हुए चैलेंज को रोक तो नहीं पाओगे, लेकिन हाँ डेफिनेटली उसका एक सॉल्यूशन अगर आप निकालने की कोशिश करोगे, बिकॉज मैं ये सोचती हूँ एवरीथिंग हैज अ सॉल्यूशन, एवरी प्रॉब्लम कम्स विद अ सॉल्यूशन.
3 है इसमें, 3 है. एक, जो रास्ता है उस पे चलो. दूसरा, रास्ता ढूंढ लो. तीसरा, अपना खुद का रास्ता बना लो.
वाओ, वेरी नाइस. सो आई थिंक
This
अपना रास्ता बनाने में ये समझदारी है.
correct.
So I think it's been such a great, and I think it's been a great interaction with you. You've been really telling us how to ponder on our points. In fact, सुरेश जी, आपकी क्या हमें मैसेज रहेगा हमारे व्यूअर्स को, एंड क्या लर्निंग क्या देना चाहेंगे आप उनको?
मैं मैसेज लर्निंग देने वाला उतना बड़ा आदमी नहीं हूं. मैं खुद का जिंदगी के बारे में बताता हूं ताकि बाकी लोग समझ ले कि everybody has some struggles in life.
Yeah.
The first point is, are you willing to accept that is a struggle? Right. Number 2, are you ready to show the willingness to overcome the struggle? Third, are you ready to put in that hardship to reach your goal? बस ये 3 पॉइंट दिमाग में रख लिया तो लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ रोज फ्लावर्स इवन इफ थॉर्न्स आर देयर. बस ये बोलना.
मैं यही कहने वाली थी कि रोज फ्लावर तो होगा ही होगा, साथ में थॉर्न्स होते ही हैं. No rose comes without thorns. So no life comes without struggle. And this is what we've learned today. Thank you so much for giving your valuable insights today.
Thank you. Thank you to the Talk Room team also for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Hope to see you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Thank
We're taking great key takeaways from you today.
Namaste.
Thank you so much.
You.
So you see, challenges and struggles do not come as hurdles in your life. They just come to teach you a better life and how to live in a beautiful way, isn't it? So भाई अभी तक जो ये लोग सोच रहे थे challenges और struggles हमारी life को रोक देंगे, they'll never stop you. In fact, you find out a better solution and the reasons, getting deep into it, getting to the root cause and solving them at your end. So what are you waiting for? Challenges shall always be there, but we are all ready to face them or not is our personal decision. With this hope that we all are getting ready, geared up to face our upcomings and challenges, let's meet next week from the expert's mouth. Till then, take care and stay safe. Goodbye.